faster.
Yeah, but they're fast.
Joe, you are the best male vocalist in the competition, hands down. You're the most likable, you're the most beautiful guy. The only thing... It was like Les Mis mixed with Lion King, and I didn't really get it. I love it when you just perform a song, and I think that was detracting from you.
Okay.
Joe, I thought it was a perfect song for you, this. I really genuinely did.
Well, this is ITV1, and we are sorry for the following events that have happened on today's X Factor. We'll update you as soon as we can. Well, this is ITV1, and it's with great sadness that the person who was performing, who goes by the name Joseph McElderry, unfortunately didn't make it. Paramedics had arrived on the scene as soon as they possibly could in order to save his life, but even after they tried tirelessly, he was eventually pronounced dead. The police had also arrived, and the judges claim that they saw a projector mysteriously launched towards Joseph McElderry, which knocked him out cold, along with the glass contributing to his injuries. The claims were even backed up by some of the people who were in the crowd, who had also witnessed the events unfold. Our hearts go out to Joseph McElderry and his family. As a result of these events, ITV1 will go off the air along with all of our sister channels until tomorrow morning. If you or someone you know has been affected by what has happened, please contact your local helpline. But for now, see you tomorrow morning.
It's tiring waiting for Saturdays. The new series of Takeaway coming soon.
Good morning. This is ITV1, and we all hope you at least managed to have a good sleep. And once again, we are very sorry for the events that have happened yesterday on X Factor. The situation is currently being investigated, and hopefully new information will be brought to light. Now though, it's Coronation Street.
Harvey's the furniture store, bringing your home to life.